Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Moving on to the exercises of lesson 6. First of all, اقرأ واكتب, read and write. هذا مسجد وهذه مدرسة. This is a masjid and this is a madrasa or a school. And you see the difference between masculine and feminine. هذا and هذه. Number 2. من هذه? Who is this? هذه أخت عباس. This is Abbas's sister. And you note here that they have not put harakat. And that is basically so that you can work out what the harakat is supposed to be. So هذه أخت عباس. أخت, it has a dhamma, and Abbasin, it has kasra because it's mudaf ilayh. هذا ديك وهذه دجاجة. This is a rooster and that is a chicken or hen. So deek masculine, chicken or hen feminine. هذا ابن المدير وهذه بنت المدرس. This is the principal's son and this is the teacher's daughter. هذه أم ياسر. This is Yasir's mother. أين قدر اللحم؟ هي في الثلاجة. Where is the pot of meat? It is in the refrigerator. Thalaja means refrigerator. And you see here that qidr is feminine, that's why hiya is used. And like I said before, that qidr is one of those feminines that are known as mu'annath simai. Doesn't have a ta or anything at the end, but it is still feminine. هذا باب وهذه نافذة. This is a door and this is a window. ما هذا وما هذه. In this exercise, what you're supposed to do is, depending on whether the thing is a male or whether it's a female, you would say ما هذا or ما هذه. So, qalam, masculine, so you say ما هذا. ملعقة, feminine, ما هذه. كتاب, masculine, ما هذا. ما هذا. ما هذا. ما هذه. ما هذه. ما هذا. ما هذه. ما هذه. ما هذه. ما هذا. ما هذا. ما هذه. ما هذه. ما هذا. ما هذه. ما هذا. ما هذا. ما هذا. And of course, what you can do is, in response to the questions, you can use هذا or هذه to answer the questions, and the vocabulary you should have already learned it. Now, in this exercise, what you're supposed to do, you have the masculine formulation over here. Muhammadun talibun. Muhammad is a student. And on this side, you have the feminine sentence. Aminatu talibatun. So, Hamidun tabibun. Fatimatu tabibatun. Huwa muslimun. Hiya muslimatun. And so on and so forth. So, basically, we should be able to do them quite easily. Hamidun tabibun. Hamid is a doctor. Fatima is female doctor. Huwa muslimun, hiya muslimatun. That's straightforward. Al-babu mughlaqun. The door is closed or locked. An-nafidhatu mughlaqatun. The window is closed or locked. Al-mindil wasikhun. The handkerchief is dirty. Al-yadu wasikhatun. The hand is dirty. And hand is obviously feminine because it's a dual part of the body. Ash-shayu harun. Al-qahwatu harratun. The tea is hot, the coffee is hot. Al-masjidu ba'idun. Al-madrasatu ba'idatun. The masjid is far, the school is far. Al-talibu maridun. The student is sick. Al-talibatu maridatun. The female student is sick. Al-hisanu sari'un. The horse is fast. As-sayyaratu sari'atun. The car is fast. Al-qamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. الشمس جميلة. And الشمس, as we said before, it is مؤنث سماعي. الأب جالس. The father is sitting. الأم جالسة. The mother is sitting. صحح الجمل الآتية. That means correct the following sentences. حقيبة من هذا. So حقيبة is feminine, so you cannot say هذا, it has to be هذه. الغرفة مفتوح. غرفة is feminine, so it has to be مفتوحة. هذا سيارة الطبيب. سيارة is feminine, so you're supposed to say هذه. هذه مفتاح السيارة. This is the car key, so هذه cannot be correct because مفتاح is masculine. أين السيارة? Where is the car? هو في الشارع would be incorrect because سيارة is feminine, so you're supposed to say هي في الشارع. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Read and write while putting the haraka on the end of the words. And we learned in the lesson that lam is harful jar, it's a preposition, and therefore anything after that would take a kasra. هذا لمحمد وذلك لحامد. This belongs to Muhammad and that belongs to Hamid. لمن هذه? Who does this belong to? هذه لياسر. This belongs to Yasir. الحمد لله. الحمد لله. All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because of the lam, Allahi gets a kasra. And same thing here, liyasirin, that lam gets a kasra. Lillahi al-mashriq wal-maghrib, only for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the west and the east. So in this example, you're getting the lam harful jar on Allah, and therefore lillahi would be correct. We've learned already the vocabulary in the lesson, but please memorize it and go through it and do not forget it, because this new terminology will come up again and again in the future.